Welcome back to The Lost Digit. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the grille on the BMW G20 series and how I added a CS spoiler to my 330i. So if you start, you gotta pop the hood first with 2 pulls of the hood release, and then as soon as you open it you'll see there are these special types of plastic kind of rivets, so you have to pull the middle out first and then the rest easily pulls out once the middle is out. So you have to pull out, I think it was 6 of these, and then you just do them one by one so that you can remove this middle panel that's covering the grille. Once you do those, you can start popping the hooks off of the top parts. So there's 3 areas and about 6 hooks as well. Once those click, you can lift it and then put it aside like I did. So I didn't pull off the rubber, so I just pushed it upwards like that. Then you have to use the flathead screwdriver again to kind of push in all of the hooks and the clips, and once you do that, you're able to pull off the front grille. Now the active grille in the back stays, so it's very easy to just change this plastic piece. It's purely cosmetic. So then you get the new one, whether it's the black one or the M340 one, whatever you want. You can just clip it back into place like you see here. After you clip it, you also have to put back the center screw. So I'll do that. Just make sure that everything is clipped back and that it aligns back with the bumper so that it's smooth. So I just checked that. So first you put the screw, then you put all of the plastic pieces back, put all the center pieces back, make sure all the clips are clipped again, and that's really all it is. So now you have a new, some people would consider upgraded grille. So I think it looks pretty good. The next thing I wanted to do to change kind of how the 330 looks, but you can do this on any G20, is that I wanted to add a carbon fiber spoiler. So online I found a CS type spoiler, similar to the M3, M4 CS. And this one I bought on eBay, and it came with some double-sided 3M adhesive. So first I just had to wipe the the rear down to make sure there's no dust, and then I put the tape on, peeled off the layer, and just set it into place. It's actually very strong tape, so I was pretty impressed. You can't really make mistakes because once it touches the car it kind of just sticks. So once I stuck it, I put a lot of force, and I did this for a few days just to make sure it was really on good. And it looks pretty great, so it completely changed the rear. Now another reason kind of looks really good is I did debadge, so I thought the numbers kind of detracted from the look of the vehicle. So without the numbers, with the CS spoiler, and now with the black grille, I think the car looks really good. Thanks for watching.